to now make a decision. And without speculating too much, it is a 50-50 kind of situation.
Yeah.
But if it is in the what is it in the intestate succession, definitely that child will be kicked out because it's saying linear descendants.
Mhm.
And when we count the people in this family, we are going to say that you don't belong. That's why, for me, I think it's very important for people to make the will, because in the will,
Yeah.
you put there what you want.
Now, he has made the will of what he wants,
Yes.
of a son or daughter in his home,
Mm.
a son who has grown in his home.
Yes.
He has brought him right from down. At the time of making a will, he made a will knowing this is my child. Definitely, the child has grown in his family. He doesn't know that actually, biologically, the
Mm.
child does not belong to him. And
Yes.
he made his will very clear.
Mm.
So, in this case, who contests the will and who has the power to break it? Because if you say that I have the powers to give to the church, to give to other individuals who are not related to me,
Yes.
if you are a judge today, as a lawyer,
Mm.
you are a judge,
Yes.
and this case is brought to you, what decision would you make over this son or daughter that grew up from this family?
Well, I that is actually, I think that is the dilemma that the judges and the judicial officers
Yeah.
face, because you see, we have a person who, in their sound mind, made a will
Yes.
where you may be saying he didn't know.
Yes.
We don't know that he didn't know.
Probably he knew.
Probably he knew.
Yes.
But for you, you're saying, no, we don't want this person to take the portion that the testator gave them.
Yes.
I don't know. I would have to, examine the whole family to make that decision. Because let me tell you something. There are so many disputes to
Yeah.
do with succession.
Yeah.
I know cases where there are 10 children. A man had, say, two wives,
Yeah.
five, five. The five here say, you don't belong to our father.
Yes.
The five say, you
You
don't
don't
belong
believe.
to our father.
Yes.
And each one is saying, let us exhume the body and
And
we
you
do
did DNA.
a direct DNA,
And the DNA comes, all of them do not belong to him.
And,
A lot of them don't belong to
they
him.
don't
Yeah.
belong to him.
Yes.
But there is also it's a new concept in the law,
Yes.
something called the kinship test, where they are testing to see, are you people actually related?
Yes.
But most people are disputing it as, what if we are related because maybe
My brother
yeah, my brother,
slept with my wife.
So that would be a huge dilemma.
Yeah.
I don't know how I would decide that case, because by the time, there are people who don't have biological children, but they refer to whoever it is that they have raised as their child.
Yeah.
So they will say, this is my child. And by the way, what you need to know is that under the new law,
Yeah.
adopted children are considered children.
Yeah. Because yes, in reality,
Yes.
if I adopt a
So
child,
so if I'm the lawyer, I would take the angle that if adopted children are expected to be considered children,
yeah,
we don't know whether this man knew or didn't know.
yeah,
It would be unfair for us to put away his wishes, because remember, the will is about implementing the wishes of the deceased
yeah,
on the mere DNA result.
yeah,
Maybe he knew, maybe he didn't know, but now we can't ask him.
yeah,
So probably you would have to either maintain the will as it is. The only problem is that, when property is involved, people live with one another,
yeah.
animosity, hostilities, all those things